American Standard Circuits presents Printed Circuit Board Terms and Definitions, a 77-second webinar series.
Flex Stiffness Ratio. The vast majority of flexible circuits have just one or two metal layers. However, an increasing number of high-performance products now require higher layer counts and high-density interconnect, or HDI, design techniques. As layer count increases, so does the need to control and design generation to accommodate manufacturing process realities. It's also worth noting, while on the topic of layer count, that stiffness increases as a cube of thickness. That is, if the thickness is doubled, the stiffness goes up eightfold. And thus, small increases in thickness due to increases in layer count can greatly decrease circuit flexibility. The converse is also true, of course. Practical implications: a tighter bend radius. Thinner flex is more suitable. For dynamic flexing, a lower stiffness, thinner flex prolongs the life. And stiffness control, needed in multilayer or hybrid flex rigid designs.